My name is Elmer Higgins. I'm a hobby woodturner from Cranbrook, British Columbia. I'm a retired engineer. I worked on numerous industrial and commercial projects, particularly commercial buildings. I developed an interest in wood turning early in my engineering career and carried on through about 30 or 40 years. Most of my objects are artistic in nature, and I have a bit of a creative spirit. I decided to incorporate leather in my wood turning, and I was successful in developing what I call a leather foot. The reason for going through all of this is to show people what's possible and see if anybody else has an interest in doing this. The first step is creating a recess in the bottom of the turned object. That recess defines the size of the foot. Separately from that object, I create a flange with a recess in the center that will accommodate the future laser engraved insert. The next step is to glue the leather patch to this flange. Two-component epoxy glue, wrap a wire around it and cinch the leather tightly around the flange, and I leave it for several hours. And the next step is to recess the foot. With a laser engraver, I engrave an insert to fit into the recess in that leather foot. Take this foot that has been fabricated separate from the turning and adjust the recess in the turning to exactly accommodate the leather foot and insert it in and glue it with epoxy glue. I would be most interested to hear from people if they've created something parallel or as a result of seeing what I've done. Maybe they have ways of doing it better.